please.
I'm just going to put it in the window here and let it... I'm going to videotape the phenomena.
I mean, you can obviously tell it's winter time, right?
Yeah, and it is obviously not raining out.
Well, it's freezing rain.
Yeah, but still. I've never seen thunder and lightning in freezing rain before. Oh, did you see that one?
Yeah. Does it show up on the...
Yeah, it does. The camera registers it. I'm going to post this on YouTube. I doubt anybody's ever seen anything like this before.
And now that ugly house has been knocked down across the way, you get a perfect view.
Yeah, you really do. I gotta get a clean clip.
You can cut it.
Ooh, that was a good one. It looks like it's coating up the wires. Look.
Yeah, it just looks like it'll be another ice storm of 98. If it doesn't clean. The problem with ice storms is it gets this type of weather for like a week straight. Not the thunder and lightning, but hail and freezing rain and snow and then hail and freezing rain. That's what made 98 so bad.
That's the rain. That's the ice hitting the house. A lot of wind outside.
Oh no, the wind isn't... There's a breeze, but I don't think there's a lot of wind.
I'll grant
the
you.
street light came back on. Yeah, that's hail. That's hail and freezing rain.
I'm gonna turn the camera and see if I can't get the street light in so they see what kind of rain we're getting.
You can see it bouncing off.
Not all of it. Not in the angle that I had. Oh my god! How much do you want to film of this?
You can shut it off whenever. You've got it.
Really want to get some audio of those rumbles. Those are unique. I've never heard anything quite like that.
This sounds more like the type of rumbling you get down south more with the big thunderstorms in the summertime.
Yeah. It is definitely snow out there and definitely sleeting. Hopefully the cats won't get in there. I have my eye on it. I just want to get some audio real clear. Oh! That was amazing! You can't actually see the lightning bolts, just the flashes.
Oh, of course, it's up too high. Small valley town in western Maine.
There's some pretty ominous rumbling. nuts to all those people who said 2011 was going to be a total bomb. Oh, wow.
That was blinding.
That blinded my camera, for sure. Sounds like a volcano erupting.
That's more than
Filming this for posterity. We'll never see anything like this again, so as much footage as I can take of it, I will. Well, I got an hour and a half on this. Yeah, but I can clip it. Very, only a little bit of air. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming now.